Good morning, everybody. So we're at a different place today. We're about an hour and a half away from home. We're up in the Tonto National Forest. And this area is just, I say it all the time, but it's beautiful. It's unreal. There's so many mountains and valleys and hills. Potential for animals today: bear, cougar, deer, elk, bighorn sheep. I think we're too far away from where like the desert sheep are, but yeah, and then obviously birds and coyotes and whatnot. So yeah, let's get some miles in and see what we can see today. I'm thinking there's a road over here that drops down into the canyon and is a little more protected, less windy. So I think I'm gonna hop down there because this wind is just cutting through all my clothing. Hopefully we start seeing something. I've seen no sign of animals. Heard a couple birds as the sun was coming up. Never saw them. They've all gone quiet. Wind keeps picking up. I was able to get a little bit of service, and it's saying it's 34 degrees. Ooh, almost ate it. And wind chill brings it down to, feels like 26. So if I don't see any more sign here soon or some really, really amazing landscapes, I think we're gonna pack it up and go somewhere that we know a little better. But it's never a loss or a wasted day or anything like that, because I still love getting out in nature and walking around. Gotta figure out how I got up here. Trying to get back down to this road, and between snow, rocks, and mud that's starting to thaw out, it's a little bit slippery. All right, hold on a second. Ooh. All right, we're still in one piece. So I think I checked the map, and here in probably a quarter mile, third of a mile, we should be coming up over this ridge. Then it looks like it opens up. Sorry, I keep seeing things on the road and I think it's scat, but it's just mud. So that's the plan, and yeah, bring you back if anything happens. Okay, so maybe some of you guys know this, maybe some of you don't, but when you're looking at tracks, this is the doe. You can see up here in the tip of the hoof, it's very precise. Up here, they're perfectly matched. This one's not quite, but they're nice and pointed. That's because when does walk, they walk real prissy-like, and they pick up their feet very high. And the bucks, like when there's a log or something, us guys are lazy, deer too, and they'll kick it, and it trims down their hooves a little bit. So when you see a buck, I don't know if this is gonna come through in this dirt, probably not, but it'll be rounded off, like more like that, and like filed down, instead of being real pristine and very clean like that. So just a fun fact for you guys. But now that we got some prints found, I think I'm going to start hiking a little quieter. Probably put the phone camera away and see if I can find this doe. These prints are probably 2 days old would be my guess. 2 days old. The reason I say that is because it's been freezing at night, and then it warms up during the day, so it gets a little slushy, but those prints still look really intact and nice and clean. So yeah, I'm gonna put this away and see if I can find her.